Music. Want to know your credit score? This video reviews the Discover Credit Scorecard, a free tool to help you manage your credit. Find links in the description below. Let's explore its features and see if it's right for you. The Discover Credit Scorecard gives you free access to your FICO Score 8, the score most lenders use. Best of all, you don't need a Discover card. It's accessible to anyone who wants to monitor their credit easily and reliably. The scorecard breaks down factors influencing your FICO score: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit used, and recent inquiries. This helps you understand your score and improve it. Discover offers personalized recommendations to boost your score. Monthly updates let you track changes and see the impact of your financial decisions. You'll also get personalized credit insights and alerts to help you stay proactive. Worried about identity theft? The scorecard includes monitoring alerts that notify you of suspicious activity, offering peace of mind. The Discover Credit Scorecard is a solid free tool to track your FICO score, understand its factors, and get helpful improvement tips. Want a user-friendly, free way to manage your credit? Click the links below to get started.